welcome back to Hobby Cantina. This is Chris, and yeah, I've got a really good one to show you today. But first, I gotta set this up. I gotta put my banner up. Kyosho. Well, what am I gonna show you with Kyosho? Well, I've got this Nissan Skyline 2000 GT, the tuned version. So we're gonna get into this Fazer MK2 chassis, ready, set. I mean, yeah, this one's been long overdue. But yeah, let's dive right into this one. But first, I gotta put my banner up. So let me get my banner up, and then we'll jump right in. Banner is complete. All right, everyone. Well, I hope you enjoyed the me putting that banner up. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the body on this Fazer. I mean, this thing is, the detail on these cars is so good. Like, it really is. Like, you just can't beat these true scale or ultra scale bodies on these. Are just, dang, they're so sharp. But yeah, let's go ahead. You're checking out this body. You got the windshield wipers, you know, very durable. It's bendy as usual. But yeah, this thing is definitely very low to the ground. I have driven it and I haven't had any body damage or anything like that on it yet. So first things first, we've got this motor right here, and this is the 550 14T brushed motor. It's not brushless, but it's powerful. Let's just say that. You'll see. And yeah, what else do we got on here? So very nice tires. They're glued, and it looks like you're getting your brake disc in here. Yeah, that's kind of cool. They added that extra detail on that. And then yeah, and then there is full ball bearings throughout the drive system, so that's always good. And then these shocks are oil shocks, so you're getting oil shocks with this as well. And you're going to get way more precise control with that, that's for sure, especially when you're turning. And then, of course, there's the Kyosho Speed House, their ESC, right here. And I'm not sure, I think there's just your 3 modes, your 4-wheel drive, brake, reverse as the initial setting. And then you're also going to get front-wheel drive or brake, and then 4-wheel drive and reverse. And it's compatible, of course, with the MIMH and LiPo batteries. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this, and we'll take a look at that bottom of it. I haven't gotten any crazy scuff marks on it yet. And now let me show you the radio. All right, so here we go. Here's your controller. And with this, you're gonna get, basically it's just your standard 2.4. And you've got your throttle, trim, steering trim, throttle EPA, and then your dual rate, your reverse, your power LED, your low light flash LED. Then you can do the normal reverse on the throttle like I was talking about. And then of course you got your steering reverse and norm as well. And your power on and offs here. And then the nice thing about this, just like on the Mad Van, is that the wheel is tilted so that you're holding this right when you're steering it. So there's that. This thing did not come with batteries, and the you had to get batteries for everything. So, but here's just a recap on everything. You got your full-time four-wheel drive touring chassis. It's all ready set, ready to go. It's equipped with 2 bevel grease-filled gear diffs on front and rear. You got the belt mounting battery that allows various battery types, which is always nice. And then we've also got, I've talked about all of this stuff. You've got a sealed differential and transmission. So dust, that's going to help you with dust and dirt. And then of course, as we all know, you can upgrade these things like crazy. And this thing is pretty light. I really like it. The price is awesome too. But yeah, let's get this thing outside. I forgot I gotta get that, I gotta get my battery charged first. This is the battery that I'll be using on this one today. And then I'll charge up an extra one that's a little bit smaller. But yeah, let's go. Here, check this out. If you look, I'm going out to my spot right now to set up, but if you can see, there's supposed to be mountains right there, but you can't see anything because of all the smoke. I mean, the sun's covered up now too. All right, so Fazer MK2 Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR tuned. All right, yeah. All right, well, here we go. I was trying to get a shot of that sun over there, but it's not coming back out again. I haven't seen it, but it looked crazy. It looked like, it kind of looked like the end of the world or something. It was weird. But the smoke, you can definitely smell it. That's for sure. But yeah, let's get this thing cruising. All right, so let's get radio on. And I think on this one, you can just flip up underneath here. You should be able to flip underneath the body here. Let's see. Sometimes you gotta. Yeah, here it is. It's on this side. It's on the passenger side. So you can flip that on. And here we go. Alrighty. Getting it lined up so it works. Getting the steering right. Oh, wow. So it's definitely got a lot of torque. I turned the throttle up some on the controller too. Let's see. So I highly recommend this. I would, the price on it is just right. The chassis is amazing. It's super fast right out of the box. And, you know, like, the only thing that I would probably upgrade on this is want to make that steering a little tighter. But other than that, I mean, the thing's great. It goes super, super straight. I haven't really had any problems like accelerating where the thing turns or gets too crazy, but it definitely could use maybe just that upgrade, maybe a little bit better tires. But these things grip. They were gripping really great. But other than that, I mean, the thing's perfect. Runs great, runs smooth. It's fast, extremely fast for a brushed motor, and it just gets up and it goes. But I highly recommend, if you're interested in getting any Kyosho MK2 chassis or the Nissan Skyline 2000, this one, the GTR, go for it. You won't be disappointed at all. And I mean, like, it's cool. It's really, really cool. This thing's a blast to drive. I highly recommend it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.